Baking for beginners. Tips, techniques, and easy recipes to try. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about baking for beginners. If you're new to baking or looking to improve your skills, this video is for you. I'll be sharing some tips and techniques for getting started, as well as some easy recipes to try. Let's get started. 1. Tips and techniques. 2. Are you new to baking or looking to improve your skills in the kitchen? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to share some basic tips and techniques that will help you become a better baker. The first tip is to measure your ingredients accurately. Baking is a science, and small variations in ingredient amounts can make a big difference in the final product. Use measuring cups and spoons, or a kitchen scale, to make sure you're adding the right amount of each ingredient. The second tip is to follow recipes closely. Baking recipes are usually very precise, so make sure you read them carefully before you start. Pay attention to the order in which ingredients are added and follow the instructions for mixing and baking times. The third tip is to use the right tools and equipment. Having the right tools can make a big difference in your baking success. Invest in a good set of mixing bowls, baking sheets, and measuring tools. And don't forget about essential tools like a whisk, spatula, and oven thermometer. With these tips and techniques, you'll be on your way to baking success in no time. Baking can be a fun and rewarding activity, but it also takes practice and patience to master. Remember that even experienced bakers make mistakes, so don't be too hard on yourself if a recipe doesn't turn out perfectly. The key is to keep trying and learning from your mistakes. With the right tips and techniques, anyone can become a successful baker. Measuring ingredients accurately, following recipes closely, and using the right tools and equipment are all important factors that can make a big difference in the outcome of your baked goods. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and techniques, but also don't be afraid to stick to what you know works for you. The more you bake, the more you'll develop your own style and preferences. Above all, have fun and enjoy the process of baking. Whether you're baking for yourself or for others, the joy of creating something delicious from scratch is truly special. So don't be afraid to get creative and try new things, and remember that every baking adventure is an opportunity to learn and grow. That's it for our beginner's guide to baking. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and let me know in the comments what other baking topics you'd like to see me cover in the future. Thanks for watching.